Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Imagine if you walked into a room and saw just 3% of all Bitcoin controlled by some of the biggest companies in the world. That's exactly what's happening with Bitcoin right now. At Bitcoin Bulletin, we've been tracking this trend for a while, and it's time to break down why this matters. The companies behind these stakes aren't just any firms. They're some of the most influential players in the global economy. From tech giants like Tesla and Facebook to traditional financial institutions like JP Morgan Chase, their combined stake is significant. In fact, a recent report by Bitcoin analytics firm Chainalysis found that in 2022 alone, these big-name companies added over $10 billion worth of Bitcoin to their balance sheets. But why are they holding onto so much Bitcoin? One reason could be diversification. These companies are putting their money into assets that don't correlate with traditional markets. By spreading their investments across different assets, including Bitcoin, they can potentially reduce risk and increase returns on their portfolios. Another reason is the potential for upside. As more people and institutions start to invest in Bitcoin, the price could go up, giving these companies a bigger return on their investment. At Bitcoin Bulletin, we've been tracking Bitcoin's price movements closely, and our analysts believe that this trend could be significant. However, there are also some downsides to consider. When a small group of powerful firms control such a large portion of the market, it can create an uneven playing field for smaller investors and individual holders. This has raised concerns about centralization and regulatory risks. We'll continue to monitor these developments closely at Bitcoin Bulletin. The future of Bitcoin is uncertain, but one thing's for sure, this trend won't be ignored. As we move forward, it's essential to keep an eye on how this affects the overall market and what implications it may have for individual investors. That's all for now from Bitcoin Bulletin.